This is my commercial cleaning master plan on how I'm going to grow the commercial side of my business. I'm going to show you guys how I'm going to actually start this and my train of thought on why I'm going to take this route. So I could take the route of just going directly towards clients and trying to get a walkthrough with them and everything, but I've had limited experience with commercial cleaning, with how to price, which businesses to target, how to operate, as well as just marketing material for my own business. I've only had one strip and wax job that I can showcase. So the idea here is I want to gain competitive insight on the commercial cleaning industry by becoming a subcontractor for other local commercial cleaning businesses. Now, this doesn't sound ideal because as a business owner, I want to get my own clients, and I'm sure you do too. But the idea here is that while I'm being a subcontractor for these commercial cleaning companies, I'm going to get a lot of marketing material, right? While these are not my clients, this will be my work. So I'm going to get photos, videos, marketing material to post on Google and all the social media platforms I can. And then at the same time, gain real world experience on how these companies are pricing the jobs, how are they bidding them, reverse engineer the pricing, because if I know how much they're going to pay me, I can reasonably assume that they're charging the actual client 30 to 50% more than what they're paying me. So this will help me price the bids and price it in a point where I can win them more frequently, right? And then which businesses to target. I want to find out which ones have the perfect balance between profitability, frequency, as well as ease of scope of work. And then how to operate, like how do they operate with their subcontractors? Are they sending messages and are they using different softwares? That sort of thing. So by becoming a subcontractor, which I only want to do for at max 90 days, I'll gain so much insight, get paid while doing it, and get marketing material. So then I know when I do start going for clients and I get those walkthroughs, I'll be able to close them at a much higher rate because I can lean on my experience and what I've learned from these other established companies. So I know it's not ideal, and most people would just say go straight for the companies, which I probably could do too at this point with my reviews, but I'm going to take a little bit longer route and build up a foundation that who knows how this can pay out. I think it'll work out really well. And at the same time, I'm going to be building more connections with other cleaning companies in my area, and who knows what that turns into, right? There's two ways of doing this. You could just cold call these businesses. I could just do that, or voicemail drops on the CRM, but I'm going to do cold email because established companies like this, they're going to be checking their email every day. So let me go through the two-step process, and then I'm just going to show you guys because I'm setting it up today to do it myself. So the first thing is to get a list of leads on Outscraper. There's other softwares that you can use, but I've only used Outscraper, and this is just a way to get a lot of emails, right? Because with cold email, you need a lot of data and a lot of volume to make this effective. So I'm going to go over to Outscraper right now. Right. So this is Outscraper, and essentially what it's going to do here is scrape Google Maps based off the location, categories, and give me a whole bunch of emails. So we're going to type in commercial cleaning companies. And what you type in here, just imagine it is the primary category people have or businesses have on their Google business profile. So that's what this is going to scrape. I click exact match. So I'm going to put exact match. This way it doesn't pull carpet cleaning or any of that. I just want commercial cleaning. But you can turn it off and on however you like. Okay, so I have to select my location here. I'm in Florida, South Florida. All right, so I've selected my locations here. And then now I have to choose which data I want to take out. And so Outscraper has a couple different things. The emails in contact scraper, yes. So the email address verifier is going to validate the email address to make sure that it can receive emails. You don't want to send anything to blacklisted emails or invalid emails, because that's going to affect your own deliverability when we're sending out emails. And deliverability, that just means the likelihood of that email landing in the inbox. I think I'm going to go with the phone number enricher just to get phone numbers from them as well. I might as well, and then I can just have it in the system, in the CRM, and do like a voicemail drop later if I need to. And then also here, the US company data enricher, it essentially will give more information. Okay, and then what I like to select is ignore the data sets that don't have an email, because that's what we need right now, and then also delete any email duplicates. So that's just going to help clean up the data for us. You can leave these advanced parameters the same. I do use the zip code, so you'll see here, like let's get the data, let's see how much it's going to cost. So when you run this and you see how much it costs, the main thing that will help you fix the cost if it's too high is just turning on the use zip codes here. This is pretty good. I mean, I couldn't find I don't think there's a lot of these businesses in the area, but that's good enough. I'm gonna go for it. It should cost a little under $40 is what it estimates. So once that's finished, I will go into Instantly. I'm just gonna skip ahead and go into Instantly and upload the lead data, and we'll create the message that we're gonna send. So this is the software I use for this outbound email, and it's called instantly.ai. And essentially what this does is make sure that it warms up your email accounts to send out this high volume of emails and to ensure deliverability. So this email system I set up, it's really good for outreach to realtors and property managers. I even done like post-construction, those types of companies that have post-construction jobs. So that's what I've been using it for. But then now today we're going to use it for those commercial cleaning companies to get in touch with them. So we're going to create a separate campaign for it. We'll just name it companies. I haven't uploaded the leads yet. I'm still waiting on the data to download, but I wanted to kind of show y'all what it looks like in here when you're creating the message. So typing out a subject, I would say, is maybe company name, looking for a reliable subcontractor, something like that. And so within the system, it personalizes all of the messages as well. I don't have the lead data in here yet, so I can't really show it. But essentially what it'll be like, it'll say is company name looking for reliable cleaning subcontractors. Something like that. That might be a little too long, but you can say hi, company name. And what I'm doing here is a personalized variable. So when the lead data is uploaded in here after I clean it up, essentially the system will automatically pull the name of the company and then attach it to the email that it sends out. So that way each email has some level of personalization when it's hitting the inboxes of these prospects. So hi, company name. This is Austin with my company name. We're a local cleaning business in we can do city name, because that'll be another variable so they know that we're in their area, and looking for subcontractor work. Looking for subcontractor work. Is there a process to get started? Now this isn't perfect. I'll probably take some time to refine this more, and I'm just doing this on the fly right now. I think the most important thing would be to say we're insured. We have a team of 7 cleaners, and we have our own supplies, equipment, right? So I would send something along the lines of here, looking forward to hearing from you about any opportunities. Kind regards. The account signature, right? Like this is the custom variable for my account, and it just says like my name, company name, phone number, and the website, so they can check that out if they want. And then I would probably put something like PS, feel free to check out our Google reviews here. reviews and past work here, and then I would link it to the Google business profile. This will work fine. I just wanted to introduce myself essentially, and then if I don't hear back from them in a day, what you can do in the software that makes it really helpful is that it'll automatically send out a new message under the same thread. So I would just send out a new message if I don't hear back from them in a couple days, like, hi, this is Austin, just wanted to follow up on my previous email. Is this the best person to contact about subcontractor work? Right? Again, this is just an example. I would definitely take a little bit more time to make it more professional. So yeah, that's it, y'all. Any positive reply I get from a commercial cleaning company instantly, I'm just gonna bring them over to the CRM that I use and put them in my pipeline, because this is where my two-way business line is, and I'll be able to communicate with them very easily and keep track of it. To me, this is gonna be an easy way to gain a lot of knowledge while still getting paid and prepare myself to do really well when I actually do my own walkthroughs and try to go after these clients. I would expect to get some commercial cleaning jobs within the next week or two. And another thing to note, guys, I'm not looking to steal clients from these companies. That's not good business, and you wouldn't want it done to you. I'm simply going to gain a lot of experience and insight. So if you find this video cool, subscribe or send me a comment on what you guys want to see more about or learn more about. I really appreciate all the feedback you guys give, and it gives me ideas on like what to talk about. And at the time of this recording, I have 92 subscribers, so I didn't think anybody would actually watch or even subscribe to my channel. So really appreciate the time you guys give me. It's definitely not take it for granted. Whether or not you subscribe, it's all appreciated. So until next time, y'all take care. Bye.